guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Finn Silva. This is LH TV. Thank you for clicking. Kindly like, share and subscribe. And as from the title suggests, unboxing our tripod. So after a period, maybe short or long, I have really received for this. Finally, we have acquired a tripod stand for our channel. So thank you for clicking. Keep tuned. Yeah. So finally, guys, this is the tripod we have purchased from an online digital collection platform that sells these vlogging equipments. So it's really a good machine. So an instrument. I hope this is an instrument, not a machine. So this is how it looks. Yeah, it's a good one. This is how it looks. These are the instructions, how it works down. So let's go straight to the unboxing it. Like, share and subscribe. So this is where we are supposed to open it. So these are the treats which you can use to, maybe you can use them to curl this tripod using your shoulder. And this is the phone holder. Yeah, this is used to hold the phone. I have liked the way they have packed it. So this is the instrument, well packed. So first we start by stretching the stance. So what you do after these stands are fully stretched, you click these things back to hold, so that it can prevent the stands from unfolding back. loose. So when you want to stretch this thing up, you loosen. So this is the part where you can use to stretch this thing up. From there, this is where you can hold and turn it to where you want. This is the height. It can is equal to the size of your chest. So I can recommend this tripod. You want to buy it if you are a content creator. Yeah. So let me show you how this part works, and so that you can be familiar with how it works. So in case you are using a phone to shoot your video, you can use this thing. You can try to lock it up here so that it can be held by this upper part. So after it has been fully locked, now you can place your phone here. Because now I'm using my phone, I cannot be able to show you how it works. If maybe you are using a camera, you can and if in case you want to use a camera, you just free this thing like this, and then you pull up this thing. So you free up this thing and then you pull this. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So if you want to use your camera, you can flip it inside here, and then you start shooting your video. So this one helps you to level your tripod. Yeah, that is how it works. So I can recommend you to go and buy this for beginners. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and maybe if you are there, you can support the channel by a GoPro camera. We really appreciate. And if maybe this video has helped you in one way or another, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. Till next time, this is LHTV. My name is Silva.